Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn how to remove the citation and parentheses from text in Python. We are going to use regular expressions. So let's see. First, we are going to import regular expression. Then we are going to have a regular expression and we are going to compile it and get back the regular expression. So this will be C reg x, and we're going to do re compile, and this is the regular expression for removing the citation. We are just going to match the citation and remove from our text. So this will be, and from 0 to 9 digits, and we are going to define a simple function, and we are going to pass in the text, and we will get the text back without a citation. And now what we're going to do is define our function f remove citations, and this is our text here. Just gonna get the text and paste inside. And we can see the citation over here. We need to get this removed. So let's see. We're gonna do this, need to be fixed. It should come here. And now we are going to return re sub, and this is the our citation regular expression over here. And just our text did. And now we are going to print by calling this function remove citation and pass in our text. And now we are going to run our code and check the output. And here is our text after the citation is removed. We can see this one, the 14 is removed. Just don't need this extra for now. Let's run our code again. And we get the text without the citation. And now we are going to remove the parentheses from our tag. So let's see. We are going to compile another regular expression. Just gonna copy from here. And after this, and we are going to add the regular expression for matching the parentheses. So we're gonna start from here. Gonna match the parentheses and any character in between. Or we are gonna do up to here. And now we are going to write a simple function for this. Remove parentheses. And the same way we are going to pass in a text. I'm just gonna change this one to p-reg expression for parentheses, regular expression. And we need a text where we are going to have a parenthesis. And we get the parenthesis text here on this parenthesis text. And we're going to set it to example if condition if flag. So we have this parenthesis. We are going to remove this from our text. So let's do return re dot sub regular expression dot sub, and we are going to pass in t-regex in our p text with parentheses. And we are going to call and print. So we are going to call remove parentheses, parentheses. Pause in our p text. Let's run our code and check. So we got rid of parentheses and the text between the parentheses. So we have this one over here, example of if condition up to if, and this from parentheses starting to the ending, and the text inside was removed. So this way you can use a regular expression in Python to remove citation and parentheses from text. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code, like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.